One thing that no gamer should ever skimp out on is a good mechanical gaming keyboard with sharp edges and unmovable feet. This one has green switches, which means that it makes a lot of noise to show everyone that I'm actually playing video games and not just staring at the horribly overpriced hardware. Another good feature are ripples, which utilize the built-in LEDs to showcase how much money I waste because I don't understand the value of cash that my parents give me. Please buy mechanical keyboards. They're worth it, I promise.